PRRC is an intensive outpatient transitional learning program that's designed to support recovery and community integration.
For me, it offers a way to cope.
Let me write this down.
It shows me how to deal with things differently and how to deal with myself differently.
They're providing tools for us.
This program is a very big part of my tool belt. And with this tool belt, it allows me to build a better me.
My name is Geraldine Levy, and I'm the director of the Psychosocial Rehabilitation and Recovery Center, known as PRRC. It's a 12 to 18 month program, curriculum-based, and we have groups every day from 9 to 12 p.m.
It helped me deal with stress, and I met other veterans that was going through some of the same things I was going through.
Today we're going to be flowing through the sequence.
When you're playing chess, it's really hard to think about anything other than chess. It gives you an opportunity to clear your mind, to focus, to concentrate.
When we start to dig a little deeper, it's not actually a memory issue, more of an attention issue.
The more I think about the clip and the movie,
you have to learn how to listen.
yeah.
So we operate as a multidisciplinary team because we try to address all domains of health with the veterans that we serve. We have rec therapists, we have occupational therapists, we have social workers, and we also have peer support specialists. So we do a lot of psychotherapeutic groups and we do psychoeducational groups. So most of our psychotherapeutic groups are facilitated by our clinicians. We get into more clinical issues in regards to helping veterans understand about their illness, managing their medications. We serve the most veterans with the PTSD diagnosis and major depression. One of our goals is to help veterans create meaningful roles in the community. So when they leave our program, then they are connected. They have their natural community supports, and they're able to, be actively involved in the communities.
Because we all vets, different branches, dealing with things.
I know I can open up to them, I know I can talk to them, and I know that I try to make sure they know they can talk to me because we've been through similar things. Coming here, it's allowed me to rethink how I react to things and how to adjust to things. And again, it's given me an outlet, and it's given me extended family that I know will be there for me.
Come in here, get the love, get the respect. Get the you're part of something. You're part of something positive. And if you come here and you're open-minded, it's not going to be a miracle. It's not a cure-all.
Understand.
It's just to help you deal with life on life's terms.